Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can put a password on your profile on Netflix. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're talking about your account, you should already have a password on your account once you set it up. However, if you want to change it, you just need to go into account, go to your account settings, go to security, click on password, enter your current password and add a new password. And if you forgot it, just click forgot password and then you'll be brought to a page where you'll need to enter either your email or phone number and then either receive an email with a link to reset your password or get a code as an SMS text message to enter and then reset your password for there. Now, if you want to add a password or a PIN number to one of your profiles, you can also do that. You need to go into your account, go all the way to the bottom, click on Manage Profiles, and select the profile you want to add a password for. Then you need to go into Profile Lock, click on, or rather enter your password first, just for security reasons, and then click on this require a PIN to access your profile. Click on that, enter a new PIN. I'll add 1986 for example. Click save, and then as you can see, the profile lock was saved. And now whenever somebody tries to access this profile, they'll have to enter a PIN to change it. I'll just remove the lock since I don't need it. But in essence, that is pretty much what you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.